Hey, hello everyone. Let's take a look at what you should see in today's lesson. So you should be on Unit 2. Today we're doing 2.1. If you click on 2.1, there are 4 different exercises. Let's take a look at the first exercise, 2.1.1. Okay, let me reset. I did it already, so it shouldn't be shown on your screen. So your screen should be like this, blank. So if you can see my mouse, hopefully you can. We're trying to move this dog to this space over here. This is the before, and this is the after. And remember, based on the Edpuzzle video, we've learned 4 commands. We have move, turn left, put back, take ball. So to move the dog to the right, okay, the dog is facing this way. So the first command will be move. Okay, if we click run, we see the dog moved 1. So let's reset. So we want the dog to move 2 times. So we move the dog moves 2 times. If you can see it, now it moves to the 3rd spot. We want it to go to the 5th spot. So let's type in move a few more times. So that should have us go move, 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 move. But I forgot about putting this ball down in the 3rd spot. So we move, move. Let's put the ball down. And let's see, we click run and let's see what that gives us. Okay, something went wrong. Now let's see if we can press it again. Okay, good, I had to reset it, so I didn't reset it. So once we start from the beginning, move moves takes us 2 spots, put ball, drops this yellow ball down, and 2 more moves brings it to this 5th spot. So once again, we hit reset, we press run. Nice job, you've got it. Let's continue to the next exercise. So this should be erased. You shouldn't see that already. So let's take a look at this exercise. We want our dog to go from this spot all the way to this spot. So remember, this is the before and this is the after on where we should go, okay? If you hit show exercise, it'll tell you write a program to have Karel move the tennis ball and pick it up. So we'll move Karel to the tennis ball and then pick up the tennis ball. Let's get started. So we want to move how many times? So that will take us 1 spot over. Let's go down 1 more spot. Let's go down 1 more spot. That should be lowercase. And what do we want to do? We want to pick up the ball. So remember, that's our command, take ball. Now let's see what happens. We press run. Good, nice job, we got it. Let's submit and continue. My program works. A 2.13 short stack. So let's look at the exercise. Write a program to have Karel create a short stack of tennis balls. Karel should move 1 spot, put down 2 tennis balls, and then move again. Okay, so Karel is starting here. He's getting to the 3rd spot, but he puts down 2 balls in between. Now move 1 place over. Okay. Now that we're in that 2nd spot, what do we have to do again? We need to put down 2 tennis balls. So how do we put down 2 tennis balls? Okay. Put ball. Put ball, because we're looking for 2 tennis balls. And now we want to move one more spot. So we run the code. Okay. At 2.14, dancing Karel is a process of finding and fixing errors in a program. This exercise is a debugging exercise. There is already code written that tries to solve the Karel problem, but there are few errors in the code. Your job is to find these errors, known as bugs, and fix them. So this is a big key in coding. You're going to mess up, you're going to have typos, but you're going to have to figure out where those mistakes are. The debugging exercise should look like. And so we have to figure out what's wrong with the code. So we know that we should have parentheses here, right? So it should be parentheses after the move. Let's see what happens. There's an error on line 3. So what's wrong with line 3? Oh, doesn't have an underscore, right? Let's run the code. There's an error on line 4. So it tells you here where to look. So turn left. What's wrong with this? Oh, it should be a lowercase l. Remember, these commands are case sensitive. So it must be lowercase, not uppercase. So let's run the code. Wait, there's an error on line 5. What's wrong with line 5? Oh, that's uppercase also. It should be lowercase. Let's run the code. The exercise for 2.1.